Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this easy yet beautiful looking mandala design. So to start off this design, we're going to make a spherical outline or circle smack in the middle of her hand, well, in the middle of her palm, just like that. And then we're going to drape some grids. I'm doing vertical grids, and then we're going to cross section them to kind of create a netted pattern, some netting. One thing that I wanted to show you over here is make sure that your grids are equally spaced out, because if some of them are close together and some are far, it's not going to look pretty. And I did that to just show it to you guys. And once you're done making vertical grids, you're going to go ahead and make lateral grids, so it's going to create these checkered boxes. Now here's the thing, you can do two things here. You can either fill them or leave them as is. Once completing that, we are going to go ahead and give our center a bold outline. And while I'm doing that, I just wanted to say that thank you so much for tuning in. And I just wanted to let you know that do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay up to date on my upcoming videos. Alrighty, now I am going to give my center a outline, and as I always say, you increase your henna design by layering. So using the technique of layering, we are going to go ahead and give our center circle an outline to kind of separate it and kind of like enhance it as compared to the other elements of our henna design. Now I'm going to make equally sized humps or petals all around that circle, just like this. Make sure you're using very light pressure in your henna cone. And now I am going to go ahead and start making those floral pattern petals. And these are so beautiful and so easy to make, and trust me, whoever you're going to do this henna design for, they are going to love it. Just like that, you just make a tiny flower, and then you use bold outline to create those dome shaped petals around that flower. Now, one thing to keep in mind over here is to make sure that all your petals are equally sized and spaced, because you have to space them as such that it gives you space to create a full half, not full, but half flower all around, just like that. And then you're going to give it a bold outline like that, which is going to be pointed at the end, giving it a dome, or like, like a gumbad shaped petal. So once we have completed that, I'm going to go ahead and move to my fingers. Now, while I was making my pinky finger, I didn't realize that my camera wasn't filming. So I forgot to record that, and I apologize for that. But here I'm showing it to you. Again, we're going to make a trio of lines in which the two outside lines are going to be thin, and the one in the middle is going to be thick. And I'm just going to make some petals around one of those lines and make that flower that we used initially as our petal pattern. And then I'm just going to create some endings. I call these things endings. I don't know exactly what they're called. But basically, you make an S-shaped line, and then you create some lighter lines inside, and again end it with another S-shaped bold line and just some cute little loops, just like that. And then I'm gonna give some more humps on the other side of our ring, just like that. And then I'm gonna add some bold petals on top of that. So in these bold petals, the broader part is going to be thick, and The rest of the petal is going to be smaller, not smaller, thinner. And then I'm going to create another outline of petals and close it up with another outline, and then I'm going to create the same trio of rings as we did at the beginning of the henna design. So it shows the continuity of our henna design, having similar patterns revolving around our henna design kind of helps create continuity, and also shows like it matches your henna pattern. So this is how it looks. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any henna designs or any tips or tricks for henna that you would like to learn, do leave them in the comment section below, and do click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date on my upcoming videos. I usually do 2 videos per week, one on Monday and the other one on Saturdays. So do stay tuned. Now I'm gonna fill this empty space by our nail bed. I'm gonna create an outline so that we can fill it up neatly. And this is how it looks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao.